Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Lucky Blocks in Minecraft. First, understand that Lucky Blocks are a special addition to the game, not something you'll find in the regular version. They are a fantastic way to add a layer of surprise and fun to your adventures, as breaking one can lead to over 100 different events. These blocks are all about unexpected twists, making every moment a unique experience. To begin, you'll need to install Minecraft Forge, which acts as a launcher for mods. After installing Forge, download the Lucky Block mod file. Make sure the mod version corresponds with your Minecraft game version for compatibility. Then, simply drag and drop the downloaded mod file into the mods folder located within your Minecraft directory. This straightforward process prepares your game for the new content. Once the mod is installed, you can obtain Lucky Blocks in two primary ways. The most common method is crafting them. Combine 8 gold ingots surrounding a single dispenser in a crafting table. Alternatively, these mysterious blocks can rarely spawn naturally throughout your Minecraft world, even in dimensions like the Nether, offering a delightful surprise during exploration. When you finally break a Lucky Block, prepare for anything. There are over 100 possible outcomes, from receiving valuable items like diamonds or enchanted weapons, to encountering hostile mobs, or even generating unique structures. Some results are incredibly beneficial, while others can be quite challenging. You can even influence a block's luck by crafting it with certain items, skewing the probabilities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.